So on the way to gym, listening to this beautiful song sang by Todd Ray Sung. Yes, so let us get going.
lấy cái chi vờ li cơ phờ nín nơ nín cho thay rơ ý ní nơ sa rung và rung cơ hai phờ nín đơ im mịt li cha rơ lông tay nâu uy vang ý ri mịt li nơ li lấy cơ chi
So, hi everybody, I'm Rengso Marza and today's the 5th day, and I've told you of this 30 days challenge I'll be uploading every after 5 days, and this is the 5th day. So let us see, I'll be working out again for today or even today for chest and my back. So together let us go. Please do keep on watching, because I'll be still bringing out for you more videos, not only of gym and many more still. So, let's go. So let us do the warm up. Let us go for the first warm up. Going next to the pull-ups. Let us do the pull-ups. Yes, so today's workout is over. I don't know how much I have improved, but I think you may know. Please let me know how is this, the 5th day. It's the 5th day of 30 days challenge, so I'll be completing these 30 days. A complete judgment can be done after 30 days. It's a challenge, but I think maybe something has like changed. I don't know how much. Once again, thank you everyone for supporting, and please do keep supporting. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment whatever you want. You have to say. So please So for today, bye. Hungry, really hungry.